In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion vocabulary learning system. If you want a simple way to collect new words, organize them clearly, and review them over time, Notion is a great tool for that. The goal is to build one clean space where your vocabulary is easy to add, easy to search, and easy to revisit later. Start by creating a brand new page in Notion dedicated to vocabulary learning. Give it a clear title so you instantly know what it's for whenever you open your workspace. Keeping vocabulary in its own page helps you stay organized and makes it much easier to focus on language study without mixing it into unrelated notes. Next, add a vocabulary database to that page. A database works especially well here because it lets you store each word as its own entry while also giving you options to sort, filter, and review your content in different ways. This turns a basic word list into something much more useful and interactive. Once the database is in place, add the key properties you'll need. Include a property for the word itself, the meaning, an example, sentence, the language, and the status. These fields give structure to your learning. The word is your main item. The meaning helps you confirm understanding. The example sentence shows how the word is used in context. The language keeps multilingual study organized, and the status can help you track whether a word is new, in progress, or already familiar. As you learn new vocabulary, add new words to the database right away. Doing this consistently is important because it captures words while they're still fresh in your mind. Try to make it a habit so your vocabulary bank grows naturally over time instead of becoming something you only update occasionally. For each word, write your own example sentence. This is one of the most valuable parts of the process because creating your own sentence forces you to actively use the word instead of only recognizing it. That active use can make the word much easier to remember later. After that, add review dates so you can come back and study the words again later. Review dates are helpful because memory improves with repetition, especially when you revisit words after some time has passed instead of reviewing everything all at once. You can also filter your words by difficulty, language, or topic. This makes study sessions more focused. For example, you might want to review only difficult words, or only words from one language, or only vocabulary related to a specific subject. Finally, review your vocabulary regularly to improve retention. Even a short, consistent review session can make a big difference. The more often you return to your word list with intention, the more likely those words are to become part of your active vocabulary.